Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. It's me Devika. So today in this video I'm going to share with you this soft glam eye makeup tutorial. So if you're interested to know how to create this look, keep on watching and let's get started now. So as you can see, I already fill in my brows and prep my eyelid applying concealer, and I set it with the loose powder. So it's ready for doing eye makeup. So for this I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution XX Revolution Mystic eyeshadow palette, and this is how it looks. So firstly I'm going to take a very light transition shade for my crease, and I'm going to first pack this shade on my crease and blend it in a circular motion and left right in like a windshield motion. Okay, so you have to blend this in the outer corner of V in circular motion. So after applying transition shade, going forward with this darker one to deepen up my crease, I'm going to first tap it on the outer corner of V like this, and going to take it inward into my crease and try to blend in circular and left right motion so that it get well blended with my transition shade. So now like this I'm going to swipe it up so that the color blend nicely. So I'm just going to flick this shade up like this. So this is a trick you can use. Then I'm going to again blend it with the transition shade so that there are no any harsh lines. So blend it very nicely. Next step, I'm going to cut the crease. This is the third step. The brush I'm using, it's from Boujee Beauty. Next I'm going to apply this shade. If you don't have this shade, normally you can use a compact powder and just pack it in the inner 1/3 of your lid, and I'm going to use this lighter shade on the middle of my lid and going to blend it with the dark brown shade edges. Next I'm blending this lighter inner 1/3 shade and the middle shade together so that it look well blended. Here I'm applying the lighter transition shade on my lower lashes and going to blend it with this darker one, dark brown shade. Then again I'm going to blend this dark shade with the transition shade so that it look well blended. Next I applied the lighter shade on my brow bone to give just a natural effect, as you can see. Next I'm going to use this dark brown shade on my lashes and going to smoke out my lashes. Next I'm taking this shimmer shade and going to apply it lightly, just tapping it on the middle of my lid. So this will enhance my look more. Next I'm going to prep my lashes before applying false eyelashes by curling my lashes, applying few coats of mascara on upper and lower lashes. So this is my final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If yes, don't forget to give a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. I'll mention the link in the description box. So that's it. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.